Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to set signature on Gmail from your phone. So let's start. First open the Gmail app. When the app opens, tap on the three bars on top left corner. Then scroll down to the bottom and tap on Settings. Now select your Gmail ID. Then scroll down to the General section. And here you will see the mobile signature feature. Now tap on that. Now type in your signature. On the signature, all you have to do is type in your name and designation and the company name. I'll just stick with only name and designation. And then tap OK. And your mobile signature is now set. Now let's go back and then tap on Compose. And here you can see that the signature I have just added is now showing up. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.